Here we are going to demonstrate how you can create a YouTube video using PowerPoint. Okay, so I could recall I did one already using Zoom. So let's check it out. We are going to math activities to gain knowledge, YouTube, creating a YouTube channel. Yes, so here's the link, and I did this one using Zoom. So let's say we would like to do this using PowerPoint. So let's call up PowerPoint, PPT, PowerPoint. You just search, type P, PowerPoint comes up, and then you type new, bank presentation. Right, so now we go to what I did before. So here we did all the calculations already using insert and math type. So you can check it out using this link. This link will demonstrate how I typed all this using equations, okay, in Word. Not math type. Math type is this one there. Macros math type. But equations. So what I can simply do, instead of redoing all of this over, I can increase the font, increase the zoom, increase the size of this. Yeah, that's where it is. I can increase it a little bit and go to ribbon display options, go to hide ribbon to get more space. Yes, here it is. And just go to snipping tool. If you don't have snipping tool attached to your toolbar, just go in search and type S, and snipping tool appears. Every Microsoft should have snipping tool. So here you want snipping tool pops up, you go to new, you click on new, and then this white cross appears. So you go and you highlight the area that you would like to be snipped. Okay, all of this. Let's try it again. New. All of this. All right. Yes, and it is already automatic copy. So you can just go to your PowerPoint and paste it. All right, go to your PowerPoint and paste it, increase it, and you want to explain this. So basically what you want to do is you go to animations. See if I can recall animations and recorder animation. Let's type recorder. Or record here, record. So you go to, you have home, insert, go to record. And then you click on, well, you do on the video, on the audio. Well, record from this slide. So let me see if I can click record. What's it happen? From beginning, current slide. It's just one, so let's just click on it. So you go to record. So you go to record, and then you go to record again. And you click on record. And then you have record current slide or beginning. It doesn't matter because it's only one slide. So let's click on current slide. And here you have start recording happens. So let's start record. Yes, so this is addition of fractions. Steps, as you can see, it is recording here. The steps ensure that the denominators are common, and then you add the numerators and simplify if need be. So here you have an example, 2/3 plus 3/4. So 3 and 4 are the denominators. So to make this common very easily, you can multiply 2/3 by the denominator of 4 here, and multiply 3/4 by this denominator of 3. So 2/3 times 4, that would be 2 times 4 and 3 times 4. So that would be 8/12. And 3/4 times 3, this denominator of 3 here, 3 times 3, 4 times 3, 3 3 is a 9, 4 3 is a 12. So here we have a common denominator of 12. And then you maintain this denominator, you carry it forward, but you add the numerators. 8 plus 9 is 17. So we have 17 upon 12, which can be converted to a mixed number. 12 into 17 goes once, and remain the 5 upon 12. That's a mixed number which can be written like this without the plus sign, 1 and 5/12. Take note that when you read this mixed number here, the last one, you see 1 and 5/12. So there's an invisible plus between the 1 and the 5/12, which you can see it and appreciate it from there. So you can convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. So 2/3 plus 3/4 is equal to 1 and 5/12. Right, so it appears that look, it is there. That speaker there shows you what the voice that was recorded. Okay, so just bear in mind, you go to record. Like if you're on home already, you just go to record and you type record, you click on record and you just click start recording, and then you record your voice, talk about what you have typed. And to save now, you go to file and you save as. And let's go to some recent recordings that was on the desktop. So let's go to the desktop, my desktop. And then we have some recent recordings I have there. So let's just put their recent recordings. All right. Adding fractions. Let's call this adding fractions. Adding fractions. All right. In PowerPoint. All right. And let's just save it, but we have to save it now as MPEG for video. So that's very important. You have to save it as a video. Okay. MPEG for video, save. So this PowerPoint will be saved as a video automatically in this folder called recent recordings. So let's just see how long that will take. I hope it will not take too much. Here it is saving. Here it is saving. Let's see how long that will take. So while this is saving, what you do now to upload it as a YouTube, you can open a new tab and you go to YouTube. Make sure that you log in into your Gmail first. Yeah, I've logged in into my Gmail already. So you go to new tab and you click on YouTube. Let's minimize this on-screen keyboard. Let's just take a look at the PowerPoint. It is still loading. And the YouTube is loading. Let's see how long it will take. They are both loaded. Right, so now you go to create and you go to upload video. There, almost halfway. And then you go to select files. And here you have videos. So I'm waiting for this one to save. So it is not appearing yet. Okay, these are the ones that are there already. So you just, if you click on one and you just click open, then it will upload as a YouTube video. Simple as that. Okay. So I just cancel this for now. Let's just wait for this to upload. Let's put this back. Minimize. Tell the YouTube links that have been created already from this channel. Oh, so it is saved. So if we go to, let's go to the folder and see if we see it, recent recordings, hiding fractions in PowerPoint. Here it is. Okay, so let's go back to select files. Okay, you can recall I'm saying you go to YouTube and then go to create, click on create, upload videos, select files, adding PowerPoint in adding fractions in PowerPoint, you open it, and here it is uploading. So what I normally copy the link one time, Control C, to paste it in my list, and then you type next. No, it is not made for kids. Next, 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 and you make it public. Publish. So let me go to the list I have and let me just add this new one. Tab, 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 and just Control V to paste the link. And this one is, let me copy the name for it. Adding fractions in PowerPoint. Control C. We'll go back here. Control V. And let's just change the font of this a little bit while the YouTube link is being uploaded. Change this to comic 12 and 14. Control C. Control S to save. And let's see what YouTube is still processing. 99%. It's not published yet. It's checking. 9% checking. Oh, it's taking a little time. Let's see how long it will take. 11% checking. So it's waiting to publish. 12% checking. 13%. All the video is just 1 minute and 51 seconds long. Not much. The check-in is taking a little time. 16% check-in. You have to check it first before it's published. Okay, so it appears that it is complete. So let me see if I can copy the link. Copy the link and paste it in the WhatsApp group chat for you all to see. Control V. See it will appear. Right, adding fractions in PowerPoint. So here you are, adding fractions in PowerPoint using PowerPoint and YouTube.